Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Topaz Snail ability in Grow Garden game of Roblox new smithing update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I could get the Topaz Snail from hatching the gem egg. So if you want to get this pet, you need to go to this area and you're going to select pets right here. Oops, wait. Okay, and you can craft the gem egg to get it, or you can buy the egg from the egg shop. And after that, you're going to place the egg on your garden and wait for it to be hatched. And I'm going to show you guys the ability of this snail. I'm going to place it on my garden and let's check it. Okay, Topaz Snail. And this is the ability of the snail, guys. Basically, it can give you cleansing pad shard, maximum 50%, and you only have 7.25% to get the cleansing pad shard. Yeah, I think it's good, but it's not that OP. Okay guys, and that's all about the Topaz Snail in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.